After benzene readings in Aamjiwnaang First Nation reached alarming levels this week, what community members became furious about is that no one sounded the alarm, notifying them about the potential danger.
People knew about readings, why wasn't somebody informed?
We need to know that they've got these monitoring systems in place and that they're actually using them.
Now the Ontario government says it's going to change that. Global News obtained a provincial order the Ministry of the Environment issued late Thursday to the chemical plant it says is the primary source of those benzene levels, INEOS Styrolution. The order gives the company 1 week to provide a written plan to reduce the benzene levels, 2 weeks to have a procedure in place to notify the public when emissions exceed a new health benchmark, like the readings seen this week, and a month to complete an investigation into the source of the apparent leak. The order also indicates INEOS is already investigating the cause of the emissions. The company previously told Global News it meets all regulated standards.
It's not as if this, we have to go find the solutions. They're cost effective and they're readily available.
Aamjiwnaang First Nation has demanded the plant be shut down until the company can show the air is safe to breathe. But when we asked the minister Friday, will you shut the plant down?
All options are on the table. So as of last night, we have promptly issued a new order that the company INEOS has to follow.
This will be now the 4th provincial order you have issued to this same company over the last 5 years, all with respect to reducing benzene emissions, and yet the levels keep going up. So why should they believe that this new latest provincial order will be any different?
Right, we made it really clear as to what the next steps need to be done, and we'll continue to ensure that INEOS is responsible for their pollution, their emission, and we will do whatever it takes to hold them to account.
The ministry has also indicated it's looking at updating a regulation which would allow it to issue penalties of up to $100,000 for companies that exceed new, lower health benchmarks. Despite years of high benzene readings at INEOS's fence line, the plant has never been fined by the government for its emissions.
No, there's no prosecution. The ministry lacks the capability of enforcement.
Just last month, Aamjiwnaang's chief testified before a Senate committee debating a new bill to address environmental racism.
We want to feel confident that the air that we are breathing isn't slowly killing us, and that our children will not get sick and die before us.
He has now hinted Aamjiwnaang may take legal action to protect the community. Carolyn Jarvis, Global News, Toronto.